news, we are now given to understand that Jitin Prasad right now is at the UP Southern and he is meeting the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. A story moving very, very fast. Remember, just about yesterday, Jitin Prasad actually has joined the BJP. He's broken his silence today. Earlier in that exclusive interview to our colleague Aishwarya, where he makes it very, very clear that there was a total disconnect between the Congress party and what the people wanted. Right now, he's at the UP Southern, where Yogi Adityanath is stationed. Madhurima breaking more details of that. Madhurima, a very important meeting, but many would say this was expected, considering he has just joined the party yesterday. And obviously, Uttar Pradesh is something that is going to be extremely important come next year. And right now, I think we have that image also of Jitin Prasad earlier meeting with Amit Shah. Madhurima.
Well, absolutely, Deepti, one after another major political events turning out in the national capital. I'm reporting right outside from the UP Southern, and Jitin Prasad is here to meet UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. We saw that after joining the BJP, he went on to meet JP Nadda as well, and he also met Amit Shah before joining the BJP. So one after another, these crucial meeting happening with Jitin Prasad and the Chief Minister landing himself just a day after that he's inducted in the party. So it all reeks of a major political conspiracy, or I beg your pardon, a major political plan that could be rolling out of the BJP, because we know that the stature Mr. Prasad held was massive. It was a major blow for the Congress party to lose a politician like him, and then we saw him coming into the BJP, and looking at the kind of portfolios he held, he can have a major position in the Uttar Pradesh, may it be the cabinet or otherwise as well. However, like our political editor said, that there will be no changes, and Mr. Prasad also said that he'll be working as a Karyakarta, as a worker of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and would like to do his bit for the country. However, but looking at the kind of meetings that are happening since yesterday and that are scheduled for tomorrow, so looking at these all past events and the ones that are planned for tomorrow, this could be a major rollout for the BJP, as one after another major political events happening. We will get to know later today or tomorrow, after the crucial meeting with the Prime Minister and Yogi Adityanath, the UP Chief Minister, that what is actually transpiring within the Bharatiya Janata Party, because it seems, the way these meetings are happening, it seems like the BJP is not leaving any stone unturned. Specifically what happened in West Bengal, they are not trying to leave any loophole, and will make all the efforts.
Okay. All right, Madhurima, why don't you hold to that thought, because I think the UP conversation is going to be very fascinating. We are picking up that story and much more on the other side of this quick break. Don't go anywhere.